whisper in the wind, send me home. I believed it was something more. Learned so much, fell in love with you. Took my chances with what I knew. With the places that had stained my hand, and the files I've stored on my shelf. Spent so long in a world given chains, though my place was some other place. But I belong here and I belong with you, and all of her questions belong here too. 'Cause we've been high and we've been low, and all of it's helped us grow. We belong here and we deserve to dream. Now every waking hour of every waking day, I wake up to the sound of discussions in my brain. And I don't know the answer, and I don't know the truth, and I don't really know what I've been dragging since my youth. But I push on, I philosophize, keep my prophecies by my side, and I hope to meet you at the gates. See the light shining on your face. 'Cause I belong here, I belong with you, and all of our answers reside here too. 'Cause we've been high and we've been low, and all of this helped us grow. We belong here and we deserve to dream. And every breaking hour, though a little more would break, the courage would be summoned to bring about some change. And the plans would form to build a brand new castle. To the sky we'd soar with the wings of an eagle. Stone cold sober with whiskey on my breath. Now America is running through my head. With you I was taken, it was you, I was not mistaken. You belong here, you belong with me, and all of our secrets stay with me. 'Cause we've been high on and we've been low, and all of it helped us grow. We belong here and we deserve to dream. And all we want is running down the mountains, and all we need is flowing through the trees. And all we have is swimming in the ocean, and all we can do is be the best that we can be. All we want is running down the mountains, and all we need is flowing through the trees. And all we can have is swimming in the ocean, and all we can do is be the best that light shining on you.